Hi, I am Mayur and you are watching interactive charts in smart reporting. So in the field of analytics, having different chart types is really cool. But you know what is super cool? A chart which allows you to interact with it. So in this particular session, we're gonna take a look at this awesome and beautiful feature of smart reporting. Besides, this is one of my favorite feature of smart reporting. So let's get started. So here I am in the report designer page. I have pulled submit date and number of incidents. So please remember, in order to use slider, you must have at least one date field, okay? So now I'm gonna click on charts. So time slider is not available for each and every chart type. So there are only few charts for which time slider is available. So I'm gonna select one of them, which is line chart. Click on close. So I'm gonna pull submit date on the horizontal axis and the number of incidents on the vertical axis. So now our line chart is ready. In order to add time slider to it, just click on this chart settings option. At bottom you have interaction section and the last option is date slider. Click here to enable that. Once you click on that, it gives you few other options, which is slider position, means where exactly you want to position this particular slider, whether at bottom or top. Also initial range, so I'm gonna select it at 60%. Also you can customize the font here, so I'm gonna leave that as default and click on this close icon. So now we have added slider to this particular chart. To see that slider in action, just click on output tab. Output tab is the place where you see actual preview of your final report. So here you can see we have slider at bottom. This way you can change the time frame and automatically the chart gets updated. Also it allows you to drag across the time frame and accordingly the chart shows data. There is one other thing I would like to show you. Just go here into chart settings option. Under interaction, you can enable this visible unit selection. Okay, I have just enabled that. And if we go back on the output tab, so what it does, it gives you option to change unit on your chart. So now it is showing by default, it is showing by day. If you click on week, the chart gets updated and it shows data by week. If I click on month, the chart shows data by month. So now quickly take a look at series selection. Series selection is something which gives you flexibility to select a matrix which you want to show on your chart, okay? So for that I have pulled number of close incidents. So on same chart we will show number of incidents and number of close incidents, and we will provide this flexibility to the end user, okay? So let's go on charts option and click on this chart settings option to enable series selection. Under interaction, the first option is visible series selection. Just click on that to activate that. So here it gives you multiple options. Series selection style, so I'm gonna select as top panel. Once you understand this, you can go ahead and explore this visible series selection option. So I'm gonna click on close and I'm gonna pull number of closed incident into vertical axis section. So let's go on the output tab. So here you could see we have at top number of incidents and number of closed incidents tab. If I click on number of closed incidents, the bottom chart gets updated and it shows data for closed incident. And if I click on number of incidents, the bottom chart is updated accordingly and shows data for number of incidents. And this is how series selection works. So thank you guys. Please watch all other videos of smart reporting to have better understanding of the product.